welcome to our video. In this video we will learn about page templates and posts comment. Okay, let's get started. In the starting of the course we learned that in a theme we have to use many important pages, but the necessary is functions.php, index.html and style.css. But the another files is for making the theme is great and making the themes more attractive and beautiful. So we have to learn these files. Now we will learn these files and about these files. At first we will introduce it header.php. header.php. Then we will introduce to it footer.php. Then we will introduce with sidebar.php. Then we will introduce with page.php. Then we will introduce with single.php. Then we will introduce with 404.php. And all page templates is available in our directory. Now we can also add more page templates if we need, but in a basic theme or in a primary or intermediate level theme we have to use this page. We don't need more, but if we want to more and more first class pro theme, then we might we may use some extra pages, but we will know about them in future videos. Today we will learn about these pages. At first we will learn header.php. In header.php we will keep the header file of our website. See, this is our header file. We will take this into header.php. And as I take is into header.php, we have to write a function now to make attached with that file with its file, that is get header. If we now reload our website now, and then we will see that everything is okay, that means we can separate our header files into another file and we can make connection in that. Why I will do that? I will do that because index.php file is mainly for blog or for posts. If I write the thousands line of code in a file, then we will face problem when I want to edit that or when I want to develop that. For our advantage to development and advantage to enhancement, we will do that. So our header.php file is used for header, our index.php file is used for post, our functions.php file is used for our backend functions, then our footer.php file will be used for our footer. If we have any footer, then I will or we will keep our footer in our footer.php file, like I keep the header in our header.php file. Then uh, we will keep our pages, which pages I will make in our WordPress site or WordPress dashboard. I will keep it in page.php and sidebar.php. If I need to make any sidebar, then I will keep the sidebar's code in sidebar.php and single.php. Single.php means when I make a post in our dashboard or in our front end, then sometimes we have to make short this and make a button to see more. I added a post here and I would like to set a button here which is called see more. And in hyperreference we have to set the permalinks, the permalinks. If we reload our website now, sorry, we have to write the while loop here. And if we now reload our website, then we will see that a post and a see more button. And if we click on see more, it will take in single.php page, and in single.php page we will keep every single post. Like I will copy whole the post and I will paste in single.php file, and I will remove the see more button, and in here I will make some extra design. I want to make the width of picture is 400 pixel and height is 300 pixel. Okay, now if we click on see more, it will take me in an extra page, and in that page it will show the individual post. The style is broken. I would connect the style.css now and then I will show. I want to copy the style and I want to paste in single.php file, and if we reload now, this is our post. As I increase the margin and width and height of our image, so the content is breaking down and it's getting down. I want to make it more beautiful. So if I save and if I reload our website now, then it will show in our index.php page, and if we click on see more, then it will take in as single.php file, and it is showing a unique post, and for every unique post it will show every unique pages, and we can also comment here, we can also see comments here. And now we'll see how to add comments and how to see comments. For seeing comments, we have to write down php function. We have to take a php block, and then we will write comment pop up link, and it has three parameters. First one is, if no comment is available, then what will show the our front end website? Like, it will show no comments. If one comment available, then show one comment, middle is for one comment. And if more than one comment is available, then it will show percentage comment. Percentage means the number of comments. So if we save and reload our website now, not working, and it generates a error, fatal error. So our mistake is, here will be comments pop-up link. And now if we reload this, our comment section has appeared here and no comments. We keep it in HR, and as no comments is available, so it is showing no comments. The style is breakdown. We will control the style in our style.css file. So, and if I want to add a comment section, then how I will do that? And for that, I have to make another PHP code. I make the style, and I put it into the content, down the content. Now it has no comments, and we have to make the comment section. If we want to make comment section, then just simply we have to write a PHP function named comments template. Comments template. If we add this, and now if we reload our website, then a comment box has appeared. You can make it awesome, or you can make it attractive by using custom css file. I am not showing how to make a custom css, because I hope we all know, we must know HTML, CSS, PHP and JavaScript before learning a WordPress development. If we want to see, or if I will I will show you how to make custom CSS, then our video length will be so large, and it is harmful for learning, it is harmful for also teaching. Okay, a comment box has appeared, and if I want to make a comment, I like it. See, comments has appeared here. So now we can make a post a single .php page. We can convert a post in single.php page, and we can show a post uniquely. We can make a comment box, and we can make a comment counter, and we know the basic of the page templates. We will know about more these page templates in next videos. Thank you. Stay safe. Thank you for watching this video.